All right, you're welcome. So this will be a video guide of how the VTR system work. Once the software has been installed, so this is going to be the demo details. I'm going to log in with my own account. All right. So if you don't have an account, if once the system is installed for you or on your server, this will be a place where your client can create their primary contact information, the company information. So you fill out the company information details here, and you fill the primary contact. That means the person that receives the email, the person you can talk to whenever there's details about their company. So this is the client interface, and you can see here we have some knowledge base. Right now we don't have any knowledge base. An admin can add knowledge based on the from the admin end, which I'm going to also explain that as well. So let me log in to see what I can do. Right. So I'm going to log in now. All right, immediately I log in, I can see if I have an ongoing project or an invoice. This is how your customer will be able to see if they have an ongoing project. You can say I have an unpaid invoice is one, and 100% I haven't paid. So I can easily go to my unpaid invoice here, or click from the section here. It's loading. Okay, if I look at the invoice now, I have an unpaid invoice. Yeah, this is the invoice number. This is the date the invoice was created. This is the due date. And immediately this invoice gets to its due date, I'll start this customer. Let's say I'm the customer right now. I'll start receiving an email based on the admin settings that okay, you are supposed to have paid your money, and we are still waiting for your payment and stuff like that. I will also show us how those things are from the admin end. I will show us how we can send mail and reminders and all of that, but it is on automation actually. So I can see the invoice. I can click here to view the invoice, and you can see this is the invoice. You have the item name here. The item name will be here, the quantity will be here, and the rate will be here, and the total amount will be here. You can see the invoice, the person that sent the invoice, and also the address of the person that the invoice is billed to. This will be based on the fact that the address that I fill as a user will be here as a client, and the address of the company will also be here. So I can back to Portal, and I can download the invoice if I want to download it and have it with me. So I can back to Portal. So if I get back to the Portal now, I can click on the invoice again. All right. So if I make any payment, okay, this is the invoice. So if I have any project here, I can have my project here. There's no project that I already have with the company. Immediately you make the payment for your invoice, the company will set up the project, and you can see the progress. If it's on hold, if it's cancelled, if it is finished, you can see it from here. And we have contracts. If I'm having any contract that has been given to the company that owns the CRM, it will be seen here. You see the estimate are majorly to set estimate for a particular either project or product. Okay, we have proposals. If I have any proposal here sent by the company to me, maybe the company is sending a proposal to me, I can always see it here. And we have the support, where I can always write a ticket. Okay, I'm going to open a ticket now. So what's the ticket going to be all about? Okay, my software installation is in progress, but I can't manage them, manage the software. All right, so this will be okay. I don't have any department now. That means the admin has not sent any department. I can say I'll put the details here. All right, so if I need an attachment, I can add it. So I can also use this to feed the company about my projects. I can send a ticket to them because these are the things that is needed. So whoever that is working on the project can easily track that as well. So I can click on send like this, but I don't have a department right now. So I'm going to open the admin section. I'm going to open the admin section so that I can set up the department. All right, so this is the admin section. All right, so okay, I'll come down here. So I'll come down to support here and I'll click on departments. All right, so I can say customer care, customer care. Okay, I can add an email to the department. Okay, info at customer care at developers.com. So I'll set up my emailing systems here, the email username and the password and all of that. Then I can save. If I want to, I can test the connections and I will save. So we have your email to be to the department here, the host, the username. Okay, and we can say that okay, it could be no expression or can be TLS description. Okay, I'll just click on save. Whenever I click on save, I have a department now. You can just make it empty like that and click on save. So let me refresh this stage. Let's see, we have a department here. Okay, because I've been logged out here. Let me log in again. I can't log in now because I'm logged in as an admin. So let me first log out here because I'm using the same browser actually. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this. Okay, okay, I'm going to log in as a user now. So I have one unpaid invoice. Then I have my supports. I can open a ticket, support, open a ticket. So immediately I will see customer care here right now. Department of customer care. You can have different departments that anybody that wants to send this a ticket can actually choose from the department. Now, if it's a sales department, you can also set up the sales department. Okay, testing department. All right. All right. So it depends on how on the priority. You want it to be a high priority. You can just change it there and you can click on save. So immediately that is done, you have what we call the ticket. All right, the network is okay. That's how it is. Okay, now a ticket, the ticket has been created, and you can see here the contact is Otukami Felix, and you can see if there's any reply from the admin. Definitely to be seen here. will be seen here, and you can also reply the ticket. You can add attachments uh, based on the work that the company or is doing for the clients. All right, so that's on that. So let me just that this is the user end. Actually, it's a form of communication. You can change the language to any language of your choice as well. So this is the user end of the CRM. So if there are general knowledge based informations you posted by the company, it will always be seen under knowledge based. And if your project, you see it under project invoice. You have an unpaid invoice, you can see it from here, and you can make payments. All right, you can see the company only allows offline bank payments. All right, so the company will have set up their bank details here, and you can also follow up your invoice and make payment back to the portal. Once the payment is made, of course the admin will approve it from there, and you can see that this unpaid payment will be gone. So that's on that. So I will move to the admin end to see all the features that the admin can do and undo. Thank you.